Hey friends, I'm Jackie from Interact Quizmaker, where our number one goal is to make it as easy and simple as possible for you to launch a lead generation quiz. At Interact, we really like to build cool things on the internet. That's how we launched back in 2013. Two college student entrepreneurs living on ramen noodles and Chips Ahoy who built a neat quiz for someone's website. That quiz converted at 50%, better than any other lead magnet out there. So Interact was created to replicate those same results for as many people as possible. We're here, yes, me, we, real people, to give you the tools to build a healthy business while keeping humans, you and your audience, at the center of it all. It's why we created a Quizmaker to begin with, because we believe that people should always come first. And a quiz helps you as a business owner learn about your audience, their interests, and what they need most. The number one question that we are asked all of the time is, what is the best quiz for my business? So to keep things easy, we made you a quiz to tell you exactly that. Answer a few questions about your business and we'll recommend the right quiz for you, your audience, and your business goals. And don't forget that we, real people, are here for you every step of the way. Want to chat more about achieving your lead generation goals with a quiz? Book a strategy call to see what's possible.